Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. I'm here from Remisel TV YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you the way I'm growing my Cattleya, Brassavola, so it will helps you. I'm growing my Cattleya with the stone only. You can see the plants. Yes, with the stone only, no other material. So you can try your own plants also, and it's very easy to grow also. You can see that. So I grow some Dendrobium also with the stone. So I got a good result also with the Dendrobium also. I see the Dendrobium, the leaves you see. Okay. Then I planted also Phalaenopsis Bellina. You can see the Bellina. Yeah, it's nice. So hopefully you can grow your own also. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. So you can see all my empty pots. Empty pots, I keep the one wire. You can see the wire for support the plant only. And this wire for just for support the plants only. You can see the way I'm tying. You can see, yeah, where it's not moving. So the plants I keep on top the stone only, and just tie with the cable tie. Yeah, you can see the new kiki came out. Yeah. So all the stone, all this the pot I will be fill up today. This new planted only. You can see cable tie. Just put only. Just waiting for the new roots. If the new roots come, then I will add some moss. This is done. I'm just planting now. That's why I'm just created a video for all of you, so it will work for you. You can see all the new kiki came out. You can see that. You can see. Yes, it's coming out. Yeah, it's coming out. So I hope you like my videos. It's very helpful for you. You can see the way I'm growing my Cattleya. I just tie here only, just put and I just tie with the cable tie only, and I will wait for the 2 weeks. I will wait for the new roots, then I don't cover it anything. I just don't cover anything now, just wait for the new roots, then I will add some moss. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will upload a video every day. It's a tutorial video. Thank you.